Yo, what's up everyone, it's Tescort. Making great videos used to take tons of time, gear, and expensive software. But what if you could turn your ideas into pro videos? No camera, no editing, no cost? In 2025, you can. AI is changing the game for creators, making content creation faster and easier than ever. Today I'll show you the top 3 free AI video tools you can use for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or school projects, fast and free. Let's dive in. First up, Pictory. This tool turns your written words into engaging videos in minutes. Just paste your text, blog post, script, or idea into Pictory, and it transforms it into a video with visuals, music, and voiceovers. It automatically finds stock footage and images to match your words, or you can upload your own. Choose from AI voices or record your own narration. The free plan lets you create videos up to 10 minutes long, plenty to get started. It's perfect for beginners or faceless channels. Pro tip, keep your sentences short and clear for the best results. Think conversational and you're set. Next is Lumen 5, a game changer for social media creators. It turns your text into slick, animated videos perfect for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Pick a template, add your text, and Lumen 5 animates everything for you. The free plan gives you access to plenty of templates and unlimited videos. Pro tip, keep text minimal and let visuals shine. Most viewers are on their phones. Make it quick and eye-catching. Last up, InVideo AI. Ideal if you're short on time but want high-quality videos. Just type a prompt and InVideo AI generates a complete video with music, visuals, and voiceover. For example, type, "Create a video showcasing my new wireless headphones features and comfort." The free plan lets you try out templates and create videos up to a certain length. Even with limits, you can make impressive content. Pro tip, be specific with your prompts. The more detail, the better your video. Let the AI bring your vision to life. Quick shout out to Tescort's Hub, a community for creators, students, and digital hustlers. If you're using AI tools, share your work, get feedback, and collaborate. Don't create alone. Join the Hub and grow together. Link in the description. Let's recap Pictory for text-to-video, Lumen 5 for social storytelling, InVideo AI for instant videos. All 3 are free, easy, and powerful. Here's your challenge. Pick one tool and create your first AI video today. Post it with confidence. If this helped, hit like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Comment below. Which tool are you trying first? Thanks for watching. Keep creating and keep shining.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, Tescort Hub, for more.